Welcome to the Nuclear Weapon Chessboard, India's Geopolitical Journey. In this video, we will explore India's nuclear program, its impact on geopolitics, and the factors driving its pursuit of nuclear weapons. Chapter 1: Factors driving India's pursuit of nuclear weapons. There are three significant factors that drove India's pursuit of nuclear capabilities. Firstly, the global nuclear rivalry between the US and the Soviet Union after World War II heightened the importance of nuclear weapons possession as symbols of power and security. Positioned between these superpowers, India recognized the need to assert its position. Secondly, the enduring rivalry and recurring border conflicts with Pakistan triggered an arms race in the region. Armed conflicts in 1947 to 1948, 1965, 1971, and 1999, along with persistent border tensions, fueled an escalating race to acquire nuclear capabilities. Lastly, the Indo-Sino War, a brief yet impactful conflict primarily over disputed border territories, played a pivotal role in India's pursuit of nuclear weapons. China's surprise attack in 1962 resulted in a swift victory and territorial gains, straining bilateral relations and compelling India to reassess its military preparedness. Driven by these factors, India recognized the need to protect its national security interests and began pursuing the establishment of nuclear weapons. Chapter 2: The First Nuclear Test. In 1974, India conducted its first nuclear test, codenamed Smiling Buddha, showcasing its nuclear capabilities for the first time. India conducted this test independently, utilizing scientific expertise and knowledge gained through research collaborations with countries such as the US, Canada, and France. Despite being presented as a peaceful nuclear explosion, the nuclear test generated apprehension within the international community and encountered opposition from the US, Canada, and various European nations. India's nuclear test program provoked concerns regarding the potential for a regional nuclear arms race and its implications for global non-proliferation endeavors. This event marked a significant milestone in India's nuclear journey and triggered a new wave of geopolitical realignments, and the US persuaded India to join the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty (NPT). Chapter 3: The Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty (NPT) and India's response. The Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, or NPT, is an international treaty to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons, promote disarmament, and facilitate the peaceful use of nuclear. After India conducted the first nuclear test, the US persuaded India to join NPT using bilateral discussions, diplomatic pressure, economic and technological incentives, international forums, and strategic partnerships. India's response to the NPT was influenced by its perception of the treaty's discriminatory nature. India argued that during the treaty's negotiation in the late 1960s, it exhibited a bias favoring the 5 nuclear weapon states such as China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the US, while imposing restrictive measures on non-nuclear nations. India neither acceded to nor explicitly rejected the treaty and instead continued its nuclear weapons program by conducting nuclear weapons tests under the codename Operation Shakti in 1998. The tests resulted in condemnation, sanctions, and a reassessment of its geopolitical significance. Chapter 4: India's nuclear status and geopolitical implications. Presently, India is recognized as a de facto nuclear weapons state operating independently of the NPT. India is one of the only 5 countries that either did not sign the NPT or signed but withdrew, thus becoming part of a list that includes Pakistan, Israel, North Korea, and South Sudan. The possession of a nuclear arsenal serves as a potent deterrent, ensuring India's national security. Additionally, it has influenced India's relationships with major powers like the US, Russia, and France, shaping its geopolitical positioning and solidifying its status as a significant regional power. These relationships have involved technological collaborations, trade agreements, and diplomatic support, further strengthening India's position in the region. Thank you for watching.